Hi, it's Barbara Greenlee with Green Moon Stamp Studio, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing. I got my virtual album retreat kit for the upcoming event that's going to be a Facebook Live but also recorded. Anyway, I got the kit and I wanted to unbox it and show you everything, so let's get started. So in case you weren't aware, Stampin' Up! Is hosting its first virtual album retreat in July. It's going to be July 16th to 18th. And so it's a 3-day event. It'll be on Facebook. And if you can't attend live, you can, play the replay. It'll be recorded immediately so that you can do that. So I'm very excited about this. It's an expensive kit, but it does 24 layouts, 12 double page layouts that are like month reviews. So you do like an entire album, and I'll put a link in the description for getting the kit. The kit is $250, but it includes all of these items here. And I'm going to show you it because I just got my kit in the mail. So let me show you my kit. Let me show you my box. It came with these fancy polka dots on the side. But I'm going to leave the box over here and just get the contents out because I have limited space. I have not looked at everything yet. So it's got, this first one has all the stamp sets in it. So here's your placeholders for your photos. And then, oh my gosh, look at all of this. Okay, got some flip flaps and looks like 2 stamp sets. So there's the 2 stamp sets, an alphabet set. So lots of, looks like there's two of these per stamp set to get all of the stamps in. And some embellishments, some twine. I'm going to get myself a case to put those in. And then they gave you the page protectors to hold all your pages once you're done. So there should be a dozen of these or maybe more. And then let's see. So then we've got, oh, these are the months. So these are all of your month titles for each 2-page spread. And then we've got all the pieces, and everything is cut for you. So this is clear embossed, so that's going to be cool. I'm sure that the instructions have us using the blending brush and getting some blending on there. Very interesting. So let's see, this says Project 10 on the back here. So they're labeled. Don't want to lose any of my, oh, look at that. It's all labeled on the back with which project it goes to. Don't want any of those to pop out before I'm ready. Let's see, what's this one? It probably tells on the inside which projects they go to. This one says Project 1, so all the pieces are cut for you. Project 2, Project 3, I like the colors. Project 4, 5, 6, 7, and of course, you could make some substitutions if there was something, like if you're like, I'm not an orange person, I might use brown instead or something. I'm not much for really bright colors, so I may make a couple of substitutions for some neutrals in here. Project 9 and 10, Project 11, and Project 12. Ooh, I like the colors for Project 12. That's got to be the Christmas one because, you know, December. So anyway, just thought I'd share that. And yeah, see, here's kind of what the projects are going to look like. You are automatically enrolled or registered when you buy your kit. So as soon as you buy your kit, you'll get information about joining the Facebook group and everything. So anyway, I hope that you decide to buy the kit and do the virtual album retreat. Thanks.